Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block and unblock someone on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then get into chats and find a person that you want to block. Let it be that user. Just hit at that conversation to open it up. Then tap right here at user's name. And now you are able to hit at these three dots icon, tap at manage friendship, and there you can easily find that block option. Just tap on that to block that user. Then just confirm blocking, and that's it. As you can see, I have just blocked a user on Snapchat. In the same way, you can block multiple users at the same time. Just keep doing these steps over and over again to block another users. If you want to unblock someone on Snapchat, hit right here at your profile picture. Then tap at gear icon to open up settings, and on settings scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find that blocked option. Just tap on that, and now it shows me all the users that I blocked on Snapchat. And from here you can unblock any user by hitting at that cross icon, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.